Fun fact about the MBTA Red Line and Blue Line, ladies and non-binaries and gentlemen. Here at the portal of Longfellow Bridge, there is a gate allowing access to the tracks for the track-worky machines. However, it has a weirder history than just that. Until 1952, this was a connection to the Blue Line. There was a portal west of Bowden. Since 1924 to 1952, the Blue Line had no yard of its own. So, they would roll the Blue Line cars out the portal west of Bowden on street trackage of the Longfellow Bridge and through this gate to be serviced at the Red Line maintenance yards near Harvard Square. This was obsoleted in 1952 when the Blue Line extension added a yard at Orient Heights. All that remains is this gate for the track-worky machines. This is one of the only accesses to the Red Line for track-worky machines, which is why when there's diversion in the central subway, it ends at Kendall. However, they are planning to add another access for track-worky machines in the form of a Red Line extension from Alewife to near Alewife for just a portal for the track-worky machines. Isn't that cool? Thank you for watching.